Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. I'm giving away over $1,000 worth of silver once I hit 40,000 subscribers, which is right around the corner, so you gotta be subscribed. I also post daily videos, do tons of unboxing videos, giveaways, everything. So being subscribed is a must. Now, even if you're not into cryptocurrency, even if you don't know about Bitcoin or haven't, jumped the gun on Bitcoin or even if you're against it, this video is still extremely important to watch for many different reasons. Bitcoin is replacing the dollar, whether you want to believe it or not, acknowledge it or not, like it or not. It's the truth. We are headed into a new digital age. We are advancing technologically, and Bitcoin is replacing it, and people aren't even realizing it. PayPal, Amazon, everywhere. You can buy a Tesla. You can buy a Tesla with Bitcoin. Elon Musk dumping $1.5 billion into Bitcoin. Everything is transforming into digital currency. If you think about the future, let's say you watch a sci-fi movie and you think about money in the future, wouldn't it be something digital like Bitcoin? It would. And Bitcoin has a lot of benefits, but that are way, way, way better than our fiat-based system. Bitcoin is decentralized, so there's no one in control of Bitcoin. There's no bank of Bitcoin. Actually, it's decentralized, so it's the exact opposite. Everyone has a say, and if something was to change on the blockchain, we all have to vote. And the blockchain stores every transaction publicly, so nothing shady can go on behind the scenes. Just like when JP Morgan, Jamie Dimon, called Bitcoin a scam, and then all of a sudden he bought millions of dollars in Bitcoin. He got caught because the blockchain showed his transaction. He did that to try to shoot the price down so he can get it for cheaper, by the way. He does not think it's a scam. Elon Musk is a genius. He's the modern day Einstein, and he is heavily invested into Bitcoin. All these different celebrities, millionaires, billionaires, all looking to Bitcoin. I've been investing into Bitcoin for over 5 years. Since it was $1,500, I've been posting Bitcoin videos on this channel. On this channel, I was posting Bitcoin videos telling you guys to buy it when it was $1,500. Now Bitcoin got as high as $58,000. $58,000. I made a lot of people a lot of money. I actually had the most popular video on YouTube. It was titled "How to Buy Cryptocurrency for Beginners." Now the video got taken down because there was faucet links, and faucet links you can technically gamble on because you can gamble your Bitcoin. So YouTube took it down and actually got a channel strike for it, which was crazy. But anyways, that's a whole different video. But yeah, if you typed in how to buy Bitcoin or anything, I was the #1 video, had hundreds of thousands of views, and that's because I broke down how to buy it, how to sign up for Coinbase, how to make a wallet, what a cold wallet is, what a hot wallet is, how to send it to an address. I explained the whole thing. And in that video, you could see Bitcoin's price was $1,500. Now, the reason I'm saying this is because I've been investing into cryptocurrency for a very long time. Longer than 95% of people that invest into it nowadays. It was a lot harder back then. A lot harder. You basically had to know cryptography. It wasn't as easy as going on Coinbase and just clicking buy. The addresses weren't as simple. It was a lot different. Coinbase didn't even have an app back then. It was very, very hard, but I am grateful for that because now I can use some of that experience and that knowledge to today and also to teach people. Now, Bitcoin is interesting. It will definitely hit $100,000. Definitely. Without a doubt. Without a single doubt. It will hit $100,000. It's already at $58,000, and it's just now becoming popular. It's just now becoming mainstream. You have kids, teenagers now buying Bitcoin. Coinbase, back in even 2017, was the #1 downloaded app on Android and iOS. #1. Think about all the apps out there. Coinbase was the #1. Bitcoin is taking over. So on my channel, I represent precious metals. It's precious metals. Silver is the safest, smartest investment because You can hold it in your own hand. I always say if you can't hold it, you don't own it. If you can't hold it, you do not own it. Bitcoin, you can't hold. But there is a crypto called GSX that's backed by physical gold. It's backed by physical gold. It's a brilliant idea. It's a brilliant idea. If you can click the link in the description, you can sign up. The coins are 10 cents right now, and I can guarantee within a year or two, it'll be over $2. Think about how much money you could make from that. They're only 10 cents, so you can spend $100, get a whole bunch, and there's actually a buying bonus because the sale ends in a month, and the sooner you buy them, the more coins you get, the bigger bang for your buck. And yeah, it's a very cool project. They're actually, they mine their own gold. They already have an alluvial mine. You can watch a video. When they open their gold milling operation in a couple months, they're going to have a 24/7 live feed. They're even opening up a small visitor center where you can go there and check out the mine yourself. It's a brilliant, brilliant company. And I only say that because a lot of people are hesitant about Bitcoin because it's not backed by anything. Now, 21 million Bitcoin will ever be created. There's only 21 million Bitcoin, period. Period. Think about, for a global coin, think about how small of a number 21 million is. 16 million have already been found on the blockchain. There's only 5 million Bitcoin left to be found and dug up. After that, there's no more. So the only way to get Bitcoin is going to be from whoever has one. Whoever has one. And that's when someone can set the price. When there's no Bitcoin left to be mined, when all 21 million Bitcoin on the blockchain are all dug up and in people's wallets, you could set the price to $1 million. And if someone wants Bitcoin, then they have to pay that. Think about that. And finding the Bitcoin is getting harder and harder. Mining difficulty is going up. That's why mining nowadays isn't really profitable like it was in 2017, because it's so hard to find Bitcoin nowadays from mining that you're not even making money. So Bitcoin definitely has potential. It's like everyone speaking the same language on a global scale. Imagine how beneficial it would be if everyone in the world spoke English. That's what Bitcoin is. There is no Bitcoin of China, no Bitcoin of USA. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. Instant transactions with zero to little fees. I can send money to China like this with some coins have zero fees. Try to send someone money in China with a US dollar. Try that. Tell me how long it takes. Tell me how much it's going to cost. Even if you're against Bitcoin, you have to acknowledge how much potential it has and also how convenient this is moving into a new digital age. Even if you're against it. I know when I started talking about it in 2017, people bashed me for it. People hated me for it. But I didn't care because I saw the potential and I still talked about it. And the people that did listen to me, the people that bought it at $1,800 and still held it, are sitting on, on a lot of money. Buy it at $1,800, and now it's $58,000. Do the math. Nowadays, it's becoming more popular, so more people are buying Bitcoin, paying this $50,000 price. And a lot of people say they missed a boat. Here's the thing. I've been hearing people say they missed the boat, it's too late, for 5 years now. When it hit $2,000, people are like, oh, I missed the boat, it's too late. I wish I would have gotten it at $1,000. I can't buy it now. Then it hits $3,000. Oh, I missed the boat. Man, I wish I would have bought it at $2,000. Then it hits $5,000. Oh, man, I missed the boat on Bitcoin. It's too late to get in. Then it hits $10,000. Oh, man, I missed the boat. That perspective is so backwards thinking. So backwards thinking. Everyone keeps thinking they missed the boat because they think that's the final price Bitcoin will ever hit, which is so not true. I'm still buying Bitcoin, paying $58,000. You know why? Because think about in 2-3 years, even a year from now, what its price could be, what it will be after all 21 million Bitcoin are all gone, all dug up, and when it's the new currency. When Bitcoin is how you buy, sell, or trade something. when the US dollar collapses, because it is collapsing. Think about that. Even central banks are into Bitcoin now. Not Bitcoin, but Tether is pegged to the US dollar. You have US dollar coin. There's literally a crypto called USDC. It's US dollar coin. It is directly linked and pegged to the US dollar. You also have Ripple, which is controlled by a central bank, which makes no sense. A central bank that's controlling a decentralized coin. And it's only getting crazier. Only getting crazier. Blockchain is the future. It can do so many things that I don't even know about. The everyday uses, new things. It's very beneficial. And if you don't know anything about it, you're looking at this from a very closed mind. And I know that it's new. I know that it might be scary or it might be different, but you have to learn how to adjust and adapt in today's economy, in today's society. And if not, then you're going to miss out on a lot of money. The people that hated on me back when I was talking about in 2017, when I was talking about Bitcoin, the people that were bashing me, look now. Look at how much money you could have made. And then reinvest the profits back into precious metals if you want. That's what I'm doing. You see me doing these thousands of dollar unboxings, giving away thousands of dollars of silver. How do you think I'm affording that? Because I planted a seed in crypto. I'm using those profits to reinvest into something that holds its value, that has intrinsic value, which is silver in my, for me. Or GSX. Hold your GSX and you can literally exchange it for physical gold. Stuff like that, if you get what I'm saying. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you thought this video was educational, informational, at least entertaining, make sure to smash the like button. It's a no-brainer. Bitcoin will hit $100,000. I think it's going to be a lot more than that, especially if you look at this from a broader perspective. Maybe $100,000 the next year or so, but think in 5-10 years from now, when just think about how much different the world's going to be, how much different digitally, technologically, and think about where cryptocurrency is going to be. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.